doing a very cool experiment. I am doing a volcano experiment. So whenever I press this boom button, I'm actually gonna start the volcano up. Now I'm gonna start it. Oh gosh! Oh! Oh! It's happening! It's actually happening! Oh my goodness! I'm sorry that I'm not on the camera, guys, but it's not my fault. I think I need a bit more space in there.
Better stand back.
I need a bit more space. Oh! Red lava! I'm overfilled it.
Okay, leave it alone now.
Okay, guys. Watch the magic happen. It's not fizzing. Mom, can we put a bit extra vinegar?
No, that's the amount it said.
Just get the lava down. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, this isn't much of an explosion. But oh, God.
There it comes.
Subscribers, look! It's actually doing it. Let me hold it. Oh, my goodness. Guys, we're looking around and look at that. That good of an explosion. Let's get a little close up. That's a cool explosion. I'm going to do more filming. So, yeah. So there it was. There was my explosion. Needs a bit more fizzing. Hold up, guys. So, I'm sorry if I blank out the camera. I have to.
No, that's just wasting it. You're only supposed to use a little bit.
That is a little bit.
You can't do that no more. You gotta have the vinegar and everything again.
Okay, guys.
You gotta clean up the mess and do it.
So, here's a character I got from the book fair. Molten. He's from Nexo Night. There's what the box looked like.